So anyway, guys, we're inside of one of our mobile homes. This mobile home has taken the longest to rehab. You've seen this mobile home before. And I'm gonna tell you the truth, guys, it turned out very, very nice. However, what was going on with the flooring in this particular mobile home, and I'm sorry, the lights, I gotta turn some lights on. Anyway, the young lady that used to live in here, she allowed, I'm sorry guys, it don't get no better with the lights. We gotta fix this fan here. Anyway, she allowed the floors, the whole subflooring to get soft in this particular mobile home. She had a gentleman living in here. She was on Section 8, and she wasn't supposed to have him living in here. And anyway, our whole subflooring was messed up, okay? And so this mobile home has been vacant almost 3.5 months, guys. This is the longest rehab we've ever had, to tell you the truth. So this cost us months and months of lot rent, months and months of light bills, months and months of water bills. That's why I'm telling you guys, be very, very careful buying, especially older model mobile homes, guys, and you have to do all this rehab and stuff. You know, if your pocket is not deep enough to handle that, guys, it's going to be hard. It's going to be hard. But anyway, it turned out very, very nice. Actually, the young lady that used to live here, she called herself leaving a washer and dryer here in this department, and it was a piece of junk, so we wound up throwing that out. I guess that was some kind of peace offering for her messing up our floors. But this is one of our larger 3-bedroom, 2-bath mobile home, and I'll turn the camera around. And subflooring was just horrible throughout. I mean, everything was soft. She had, she was allowing the, I'll turn the lights on here, but she was allowing the floor to get soft. Like if there was a leak or something, she wasn't reporting it to us because she had a gentleman living over here and she didn't, you know, want us to know that he was living over here. And then she has some heavy, heavy, heavy furniture in this particular mobile home. So that was the main issue. So this particular mobile home can rent out. And guys, we're gonna go a little low on this particular mobile home because it's a little older, it's a little dated. And as you can see, the cabinets don't have any division areas here. And so we're gonna have to get that situated. We just put new eyes on the stove. So little drip pans on there. We got the eyes over there. We didn't have to do anything with the refrigerator except for clean it out. We're gonna have our contractor come or either our handyman come and remove this dishwasher because these have a tendency not to work, guys, over time. And this was the main issue that was causing the floor to get weak. Guys, she allowed all this to get soft, okay, and start leaking onto the floors, and it caused everything to get soft. So we had to redo this entire subflooring on this particular mobile home. My brother says there's a short in this particular fan. I'm hoping that's not the case, but if it is, we're gonna have to take that fan down, okay? We're gonna go over here to this mobile home is roughly about 1,200 square feet or a little bit bigger. This is one of our bigger mobile homes. We're gonna go over here to this side of the mobile home. We're almost finished with it. As a matter of fact, we have 2 people waiting in the wings of this particular mobile home. I got my brother here. He is painting the door here. This is one of the bedrooms, and this is the bathroom. And we redid the tub there, okay? So that turned out very, very nice. Guys, we put lipstick on the pig. None of that fancy stuff you see on HGTV. Don't do that. You're wasting your time. And this is the last bedroom. This is the bedroom to the front of the mobile home. We had people contacting us all the time about this particular mobile home, but we had to turn them away because the mobile home wasn't ready yet, okay? You who saying, oh, I'm going to get in the single family home business. That's beautiful, guys. But if you in the single family home business, and remember, you're buying a single family home, and it has to have some rehab done on it. The thing with the single family homes, guys, is different with mobile homes. You have to wait for the inspector to come to check out the rehab, which you have done, in order for you to resell that mobile home. I said mobile home, resell that single family home out to somebody else. We don't have to do that here in the state of Texas with our mobile homes. All we have to do is make it clean and affordable. Now, if we are trying to get a Section 8 tenant, the Section 8 will come and inspect the mobile home before we rent the mobile home out. But other than that, guys, we're not paying mortgage and all that kind of stuff. We are paying light rent. We are paying light bills. We are paying water bills in our mobile homes. So we're not paying mortgages and all that kind of stuff. And then the taxes on this mobile home, guys, is just a little under $100 per year. Okay. Now the taxes could get a little higher depending upon where the mobile home is, the school districts, and all that kind of stuff. Just like with a single family home. However, with a mobile home, the taxes will never get up to where a single family home is. And we have a little dinette area here. I'm sorry, guys, I don't have my normal camera equipment, so this video might be a little choppy, but you get the gist of it, okay? So, like I said, those of you who are trying to get into the single family home business, your pocket is going to have to be a little deep, because if this was a single family home, guys, we would have to been paying mortgage for months and months and months, okay? But this was a mobile home. It has already been paid for, and actually this was our second family that we had living in this particular mobile home. This first family we had living in here, this guy owned a car wash, and what he was doing, he was subleasing our mobile home out. We found out about it, and he didn't deny it, and he wound up leaving. You know, no big problem. To this day, we're still very good friends with him, so it was no big issue, but he wound up leaving. We asked him to leave. Inside of a mobile home park, everybody who lives inside of the mobile home has to apply to the park. Guys, the mobile home park owners and the mobile home park managers don't allow just anybody in the park, especially if it's a nicer park. You know, you have to apply to the park because they try to make sure there's no people who have, criminal activity, sex offenders, because you have children living in these parks. So you got to be very, very careful with that. So we don't want anything like that, any of that kind of shenanigans going on. Because if anything happens to the kids, because we allowed a sex offender or somebody like that to live in our mobile home, guys, we would be, we would really feel really bad. So that's why we asked him to leave, because we weren't sure what caliber of people that he was allowing to live in this particular mobile home. And like I said, he was subleasing, okay? Subleasing is something can happen in a single family home, guys. Don't play that game and act like you don't know what I'm talking about, because subleasing can happen in a single family home just like it can in the mobile home. But the thing is with the mobile home, guys, if you get caught subleasing and the owner knows that you were allowing your tenants to sublease, guys, what they could do is they can ask you to move your mobile home. So you be very, very careful with that, okay? Because we know a lady who was asked to move her mobile home out of the park, and they was like, you got to get out of here today. And guys, we don't like to play those games. So when we find out somebody is subleasing, and this is the second time we actually caught somebody subleasing mobile homes out, we asked them to leave because we don't play those games. We try to maintain a good relationship with the park managers as much as possible. That's what we try to do. That is our goal, because they're going to give you deals. Okay, if you are bringing good tenants into the park, people who care about the park, people who try to keep the grass up, people who rake the leaves, not putting a lot of junk on the outside, respecting the parking spaces and all that good stuff, guys. You're bringing in good qualified tenants. Tenants who are, law-abiding, hardworking people, guys, they're going to give you deals. They're going to give you deals. Now, this is an older model mobile home that we have. This is a 1998 3-bedroom, 2-bath mobile home. And I tell you what, guys, like I said, it's over 1,200 square feet. We got a walk-in shower here. And I tell you what, guys, if we would have really thought about it, we could have actually made this a 4-bedroom. We could have closed one of the rooms off and made it a 4-bedroom, and we could have got more money from Section 8, but we decided against it, okay? No sense of being greedy, okay? So anyway, guys, if you want to learn about mobile home investing, give me a call at 800-974-5580. This is our longest rehab ever, okay? And only because, guys, it took so much work to take the floor up in this particular mobile home and turn around and lay it back down. That's what's going on with this particular mobile home. But other than that, it's up, it's ready to roll. We have 2 people waiting in the wings. It's just a matter of picking one, which one we're going to pick. And actually, both of the people, neither one of them are Section 8, but both of them are actually coming from a 1-bedroom apartment. And so they're going to, both of them are trying to win us over to get into this 3-bedroom, 2-bath mobile home. So with our mobile homes, guys, when they're renting it out, they're going to be responsible for their own utilities, and they're going to be responsible for their own yard work as well. And so this can rent out, you know, in the upwards of $1,900 and greater, but we're not gonna, I don't think we're gonna go that high on this particular mobile home because it's a little older. And so, you know, I don't think we're gonna go that high. Lot rent right now is $774 in this one particular park. So even though it's $774, anything we charge over $774, like I said, we can get in the upwards of $1,900. Anything over $774 dollars is going to go into me and my family's pocket. Okay, so this mobile home was actually gifted to my mother years ago when my mother turned 75, so a couple of years ago. And so she was receiving the payments for this particular mobile home. So she's anxious to get this mobile home up and running. Okay. So guys, this is Kelly from Hills, Deals, and Wheels Mobile Home Investing Course. If you want to do a free one-on-one Zoom, we can do it at 800-974-5580. And I will talk to you soon.